We will now show you how to add a new basal pattern for the first time. To add a new basal pattern, from the home screen, press Select and then select Settings. Select Delivery Settings and then Basal Pattern Setup. Select Basal 1. Select Options and then select Edit. For one basal rate, the end time does not need to change. Press on the 2400. Select Done. Review the basal pattern. Select Save. Please note, if the back button is pressed and Done is not selected, the changes are not saved. To set up values over a 24-hour period, on the appropriate settings screen, select the end time and enter the end time for the first time period. In this example, the first desired time period is 8 hours. The start time always begins at midnight. To set an 8-hour period, the end time of 800 hours is entered. Enter your unit value for the first time period. Press Select. The start time for the next time period appears. Enter the end time for the next time period. Enter the unit value for the next time period. Press Select. The start time for the next time period appears. Repeat these steps for every desired time period until the end time of 2400 hours is reached. This completes the 24-hour duration. Select Done. Select Save. Adding an additional basal pattern. Here we will show you how to add a new basal pattern after at least one basal pattern has been set. The following basal patterns can be set up: Basal 1, Basal 2, Work Day, Day Off, Sick Day. To add an additional basal pattern, from the home screen, press Select and then select Settings. Select Delivery Settings and then select Basal Pattern Setup. The Basal Pattern Setup screen appears. To add a new basal pattern, select Add New. The Select Name screen appears. Select a name for the basal pattern. Select the basal rate. Select Done. Select Save.